your time productively during the lockdown? So, take out your dirty white sneakers, follow this video for a quick and easy way on how you can actually clean your white sneakers with very minimal ingredient. Alright guys, so to clean your sneakers, the first thing you need to do is, in a bowl you need to warm some water. इसमें ऐड करो 1 tablespoon of vinegar and baking soda. इसको अच्छे से mix कर लो and keep the mixture aside. Now you need a brush. Now any old brush that's lying around in your house could work perfectly. Now you have to dip the brush in the mixture and just continuously clean your sneakers. Now this may require a lot of force, but you have to get into all those areas and उसको अच्छे से clean करो पीछे से आगे से, and you have to completely scrape off all the dirt that's been on the shoe for a very long time. So this process may take up to 4 to 5 minutes at least, and you have to keep scraping the dirt and be a little bit patient. But once you've done that and you're a bit happy with the way that the shoe is looking, एक टाल लीजिए and उसको थोड़ा गर्म पानी से गीला कर लीजिए. Once you've taken the towel, completely start scrubbing your shoe and you will have a very clean sneaker. And if you don't believe me, I have here my dirty shoe to compare. So जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं that they look completely different. I mean, the one that I just cleaned right now almost look as good as new. So well, this was a very simple way in which you can clean your sneakers at home with some very basic ingredients. So what are you waiting for? Take out your dirty sneakers and start cleaning them.